So this plane is called the fire duck, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. First, we're going to fold the plane lengthways, just like this. Open that up. Now, around an inch and a half, around an inch and a half, you're just going to fold like that. That's around an inch and a half. Flip it over. Now do the classic triangles to the center crease. You want to get this as smooth as you can. Now we're just going to fold triangles to the center crease again, so create this. Now you can just do the other side. Symmetry is really important here. Now, so what you're going to do, you're going to fold this bit down, but you don't want to fold on this. You want to fold slightly above so that your crease goes around a centimeter from the turn there. So like that. Okay, now we're just going to close that and open that up so around like this, just like that. And we're going to turn the paper around and we're going to fold this bit down so that the top goes to around this area-ish. Just fold it down as much as you can, and now you should have something like that. Now, same thing that we did before, we're just going to fold that up like that. Just get it as straight as you can, but you don't want to fold it like fully up, you just want to fold it around 2 centimeters or a bit of an inch. Just let me straighten that up. Okay, so there we go. So now we're just going to fold left to right. So this. Okay, you want to get this as straight as you can. Okay, now we're just going to fold the wings. I like to fold the wings just around. I like to fold the wings just like that. So there is one side. I'm just going to do the other. And you want to line the wings up. So if you mess up on the first wing, just don't worry about getting the next wing perfect. You just want to get it the other wing as close as you can to your first wing. You can open that up, and there you go. Here is your fire duck. So this is one of the first of my custom planes I've ever built. So I'm very proud of this now. You can see it inside. So we're just going to turn this here. Sorry if it's a bit light. Should be fine. So these planes, I really like this plane because of the accuracy it has sometimes. But I made better models of this plane before. One more time, just to see if we can get a good. So that is the fire